Hello everyone, my name is Simranjit Kaur and I am the student of BCom Semester 4 K1 of HMV College Jalandhar. I am here to present my seminar on the topic of analysis of Samsung company. First of all, I would like to thank our principal ma'am Mrs. Dr. Ajay Srin for giving this wonderful opportunity to present the seminar. And then I like to extend my gratitude to Mrs. Kamaldeep Kaur, the HOD of Commerce Department, and my special thanks to our teacher in charge Mrs. Binu Gupta ma'am for continuous support and guidance. So now let's start the topic. These are the contents: introduction, history, Samsung logo, Samsung position in India, 4 Ps of Samsung, competitors of Samsung, SWOT analysis, suggestion, and then conclusion. First of all, the introduction. Samsung was founded on 1st March 1938 by Lee Byung-chul as a grocery trading store. He started his business in Daegu, Korea. Samsung first entered in the electronic industry in 1969. During the 1970s, the company began to export home electronic products overseas. At that time, Samsung was a major manufacturer in Korea. Samsung was also titled as the number one in consumer electronic brand worldwide and is recognized for its evolutionary advancement in digital technology. Next is history. The history of Samsung company. From its inception as a small export business in Daegu, Korea, Samsung has grown to become one of the world's largest leading electronic company. In 1938, Lee started his business as a grocery trading store and trading noodles. After the Korean War, he expanded his business into textiles and opened the largest woolen mill in Korea. In 1969, Samsung entered in electronics. Samsung Data System was established in 1985 to serve businesses' growing need for system development that helped Samsung quickly become a leader in IT services. In 1988, it merged with Samsung Semiconductor and Communications. After that, Samsung Galaxy smartphone series are launched. In 2005, Samsung surpassed Japanese rival Sony to become world's largest most popular consumer electronic brand. In 2012, Samsung became the world's largest mobile phone maker by unit sales, overtaking Nokia, which had been the market leader since 1988. Now, the next is Samsung logo. For many years, they operated without any branding or marketing, and in 1958, Samsung presented their first logo. The watermark is written in Korean along with a circle enclosing three stars, which are superimposed over three strips, and a couple of stylized wheat plants and represented the company's agricultural roots. The second logo was established in the year 1969, and there is a third logo that was developed in the year 1993. This is a current logo that was launched in 2015. Now, the next is Samsung position in India. Samsung Electronic commenced its operation in India in December 1955. In India, the Samsung is the largest mobile handset brand, and in 2018-19, Samsung revenue crosses $10 billion in India. These are the products of Samsung company. Now, this is the 4 P's in marketing mix of Samsung. The first is product. Samsung electronic products are designed in 6 global design centers and manufactured in 53 global production bases. The portfolio of Samsung is entirely huge and has multiple products which serve the needs of diverse customer range. The product portfolio of Samsung includes the following: smartphones, refrigerator, washing machine, air conditioner, television, etc. The benefit of Samsung in terms of its product is that there is a trust on all Samsung product because of the way Samsung products have performed in the last few years. The next is place. Place play a very crucial role in 4 P's of marketing mix. Samsung is present through various channels in the marketing. Just like other smartphone brands, the marketing strategy of Samsung also follows channel marketing as a distribution medium for its products. Apart from this, Samsung also has its own sole distributors where they only sell Samsung products. E commerce channels like Facebook, Marketplace, and Amazon are also be utilized to their maximum potential by Samsung to sell their products. The next is price. Samsung sells its product with a price that works if we compare it with the functions, benefit, and technology. Samsung is a market leader in smartphones and is a dominant player in market for home appliances. Samsung uses multiple pricing strategies to target different customers segments basis the different product that they offer. The strategy Samsung opted for revolves around the pricing of its different brands and models are skimming price strategy and competitive price strategy. The next is promotion. Samsung uses a mix of online and offline promotional channels to promote their products. Samsung uses advertisement, social platforms, and paid digital promotion to create awareness among customers for new product launches. To take the advantage of the huge number of followers of celebrities, the brand has invited many celebrities to be the brand ambassador and promote the product. Big posters and hoardings are put on the highways. Now, these are the competitors of Samsung. Now, this is the worldwide top 5 smartphone companies' unit market share. In this, we can see that initially the market share of Samsung was sinking, but at the end of 2018 it starts climbing and remained the leader in the worldwide smartphone companies with approximately 23% market share in 2019, and Huawei retained its second position with nearly 18% share. Apple is in the third spot. Apple is in the sorry. The Apple is in the third spot and Vivo and Oppo are nearly in the same position. The next is a SWOT analysis of Samsung company. The first is strength. Limited cost in production, great design. Samsung offers a lots of handset with different type of designs, unlike its nearest competitor Apple iPhone. Invest lots of money in R&D. Products are environment friendly, cost and quality focused. When it is about the production cost, Samsung reached the economies of scale. It outsourced its production of different countries that the competitive advantage in producing quality products at small cost. Weaknesses: low portfolio margin. There are lots of competitors in the industry, so keeping the customer, they must offer the products at low price. Lacking of own operating system. Like Apple iPhone, it doesn't have its own operating system. And threats are large companies focus on many products at the time. The next is opportunities. Expand to other countries. Market growing. People are becoming more tech dependent and smartphone become the most used communication tool in this era. As a result, the demand is increasing and demand is growing, so create better quality electronic, invest more on its advertising industry. Threats: the large companies of competitors the large number of competitors. The mobile market is saturated. The Samsung has a lot of competitor in the market. The number is also growing. Strong competitors like Apple. It has strong competitor like Apple, Oppo, mobile. It is the biggest threat for Samsung. Chinese are also the biggest competitors. The next is suggestion. There are some suggestions followed by Samsung company to improve its sale. First, enhance their advertisement campaign to create greater brand awareness. Second, improve the after sale service because satisfaction helps in retaining customer. Make the research and development center more efficient. As a corporate social responsibility, Samsung needs to enhance their brand image by indulging in more social causes because a good corporate not only takes from people but also returns to them. Now, The last is conclusion. The conclusion drawn from the analysis that Samsung's strengths carry more weight than its weakness. If Samsung can properly exploit its opportunities that exist, it will navigate the threats with no significant difficulties. Samsung is one of the best companies in the electronic industry. It is at the forefront in the race of innovation. Samsung plays a key role in the world of technology. It is a well known brand because of its services, excellent employees, innovative, reliable product. Samsung is taking the world in progressive direction for new generation. Now, thanks.